Here we are. Oh, wow. Just, can you feel it? Right on. G'day, SEQ Campers, and we're here just weeks before Christmas. The workshop is open. Have you booked in a service? Do you need anything to check or get done on your Stockmans or Kimberley Campers, SEQ Campers at the Sunshine Coast Airport? We're just around the corner here from the Sunshine Coast Airport. Check out our new location. Drop in for some helpful hints. Now watch this. This is our Christmas video. So this is us doing it really quick, and we're getting excited, ready for the next few weeks coming up. Let's go in here. Oh, I'm back. G'day. G'day. This is Shane, and I am your workshop manager. I will answer all your questions that you've got here on your Australian-built campers. Please get some good ideas from us here with Australian-built campers. Let's go have a look. G'day, I would really like to welcome you to the Designer Camping. Now, Designer Camping is right through here. Please follow me through here. Please, hello, Linda. Hi, so nice to see you. Come on in. Now, this is our lovely establishment. This is Designer Camping. We really have some unique items here. Oh my gosh. I've got a chair right here. Oh, happy chap. I've got some tools right here. It's all so lovely. Designer Camping, some really nice. Have a look at our stuff here. This is us as a little working office. What a great little place. Come in, find some new products, and it's just a great place to chill. Oh, hello. Shane and Maud love camping. This is us, Stockman Rovers. We've got a bunch of Stockman Rovers inside, and holy moly, check this out. This is a new showroom looking at new units, and we have already put out 3 handovers of new Stockman Rovers this week. There are some real happy customers getting out camping before Christmas. Love this. This is our Stockman side showroom. Oh, g'day. And Merry Christmas. I thought I'd say hi and thank you to everyone who came here for the Christmas party and in our new shed here at Marcoola. Now, check this out. This is the Kimberley Caravan, and we've got a few Kimberley Caravans set up here. Look at this one. So turn on the power. Look inside. Check it out here. Just like that. Ta-da! That was pushing the bed out. Come on in, don't be shy. Say g'day. Hello. So this here, my natural look. This is a lovely 2020 look, Corian bench, great custom seats. My natural look. So I've got the timber fronts, timber floor, and the sand colors in the bench and the roof. Let's have a look. Wow, swing away toilet, selfie go, and this one has underbody lights. So really enjoying that. Check it out, safety or party lights with my go there. I did want to show you this, the outside kitchen, but these little guys here, boom, some lights underneath. This is getting creative, so steady lights under there and a really good look at what we have, what we do, couple of stuff in the Kimberley Caravan. But that was natural. Let's walk over to a contemporary look. So again, this is something you can pick some colors, but we've got these ready for before Christmas, and check out my little contemporary. So again, from Diamond Stitch, we've got the gray straight stitch, gray floor, gray in my top, black bench tops, right through there, the Corian bench, contemporary, just that little bit different look through it. Big heater, both of these have the big 2 kilowatt heater, planning to go to Tassie. Both of them have the swing away toilet, and both of them here have an internet system, as well as lots of battery. So we're in 12 volt. Wow, check it out. Swing away toilet. I really can do that all by myself, just with one hand. And that's just a little bit of me walking through here. We've got a few little vans here. So we've got right here from big awnings, camping awnings, another swing away toilet. So some really great vans to come and look at. Look, your choice of Weber outside and all of these. Right to the S and T class in something that you can get into before Christmas. Really great. This is us in the showroom. Come have a look, a chat. It's Christmas. It's only weeks away. So it's a great time to look at what's happening and what you can do if you make a plan to go. Well, howdy folks, look at this, we've got second-hand vans. Howdy, wow, I've got ones with bikes on them. You can get a bike, you can flip a bike over, you can put a bike up. Look at that, you gotta get it, it's got a bike, it's time to get bikes. We've got it, a generator. Oh, I love this one. Man, I can run power, aircon, aircon, aircon. This is it, look at aircon, aircon, aircon. It's all in here. Wow, look at that one. It's got bunk beds, kids, aircon, kids, aircon, kids, aircon, kids outside, aircon. Look at that. Look at this one, blank canvas. Have you ever seen it? It's like white as a sheet. Next week, this week, anytime soon. For you today, I'm gonna put stickers on this one. That one, you're gonna get stickers. Totally really cool. It is such a good feel inside. No aircon, no aircon. Fine, I don't need aircon. It's insulated. This one, best one. You want it. You totally want it. No aircon. No, don't need it. Aircon, blah. This one here is great. It's got lots of fans. We're gonna get new stickers. It's got the black done. This one is coming out really great. Check it out. And again, bush camping, lithium batteries. This is us. New ones, old ones, camper trailers. There's a bunch. I've got 3 camper trailers. Look at this. Today's the day. Buy it now. Get it now. This is your salesman of the year doing your secondhand vans. And thank you. That is many hats that I wear here at SEQ Campers. All of those hats, all of those things that we do a multiple of accessories. We do it all here at SEQ, right down at Marcoola by the Sunshine Coast Airport. I hope you enjoyed that little video, weeks away. Come check it out. If anyone's in trouble, we're always gonna pick up the phone and we're always gonna help so we can get you something fixed for you. If you need it done before Christmas, we're gonna fit you in. We really enjoy all our customers and say thank you and see you here in the next few weeks. And please subscribe to these videos so we can make more like this. I hope you enjoyed wearing the hats at SEQ Campers.